Let's talk about something that is silently worrying a lot of students right now. Can AI actually replace programmers? Not what Reel says, not what I video says, but the real truth, especially for students who are deciding what to learn. Because this one question is affecting confidence, motivation, and even career choices. Some students have already stopped learning properly because they feel AI will do everything. So let's slow down and understand reality without fear, without hype. Students are scared for a genuine reason. AI is everywhere. ChatGPT writes assignments to generate websites in minutes. You open Instagram or YouTube and see titles like coding is dead. AI will take all jobs. Now imagine you are a student, you are already under pressure, exams, skills, placement, then suddenly you feel like, am I even learning the right thing? This fear is not because students are weak, it's because the future feels unclear. Let's be fair and honest. AI is powerful. It can write basic and repetitive code, it can speed up development, it can help professionals save time. AI is very good at recognizing patterns and generating similar output fast. That's why it looks impressive. That's why it feels threatening. But power alone cannot decide replacement. Now let's talk about what AI cannot do. AI cannot truly understand real world problems. It does not understand business pressure. It does not understand users. It does not understand consequences. If a system crashes in real life, no one asks AI why it failed. A human developer is responsible. AI also cannot think creatively like humans. It can remix ideas but not truly innovate. Now, let me say this very clearly: AI will not replace programmers, but programmers who don't learn properly can be replaced by programmers who use AI smartly. This is the reality nobody tells students clearly. So, who is actually at risk? Student who only copy paste code, student who never truly try to understand logic. When asked to explain their own project, they struggle. This fears usually shows up in Viva, interviews, or debugging. The problem is not AI, the problem is script learning. Now let's talk about who is safe. Students with strong basics, students who understand how things work, students who can adapt. For these students, AI is not a threat, it's a productive tool. They don't fear AI, they control it. This is how students should use AI. First, think about the problem yourself. Even if your solution is wrong, then try writing on your own. After that, use AI to improve, to debug, or to understand better. Ask AI why something works, not just give me the answer. AI should support your thinking, not replace it. Let's take a real world example. In exams, interviews, or jobs, someone will ask you one simple question: explain your code. You cannot answer that with copy paste knowledge. Confidence comes only from understanding. So here's the final truth: AI is a tool, you are the thinker. If you learn properly, AI will never replace you. Fear disappears when understanding increases. In the next video, I'll show how students use ChatGPT the right way without destroying their basics. If you want clarity, not shortcuts, stay with this channel. Let's decode things clearly.